Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to be talking about how to find an invitation code for tofro.com in 2025 so that you can sign up smoothly. So if you are trying to register on tofro.com, you already know that in order to create your account here you will need to have an invitation code and the invitation link. So the first method of getting it is by asking someone who you know. So this is a very easy method to get the code from your friend or the contact who already has one. Many users share their codes directly with the people they truly trust. So here you can also use my invitation code. You can see it over here on the screen. You can scan this QR code or you can even get this invitation code and create your account over here. Now I will also put this code in the description box below, and you can also see it on the screen, so you can basically use this code and create your account. The second thing that you can do is you can simply look for it on social media. Tofro is getting very popular on social media these days, so you can simply just check out TikTok, Facebook, Instagram platforms, and from there you can also find the working invitation code for Tofro. So this is how you can basically get it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. If you have any questions, you can comment that down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.